there any jobs left that artificial intelligence can't touch? It's a question keeping millions of workers up at night. With AI infiltrating nearly every corner of the professional world, it might feel like no job is truly safe. But here's where things get interesting. Microsoft's groundbreaking research offers both reassurance and a wake-up call. Their findings not only spotlight which jobs are most vulnerable to AI disruption, but also highlight roles where humans still hold the upper hand, for now. Let's dive into what makes some jobs AI-resistant and why others are teetering on the edge of obsolescence. And this is the part most people miss. AI isn't just replacing jobs. It's reshaping how we work entirely. What defines an AI-safe job? So, what exactly makes a job resistant to AI takeover? These positions typically involve tasks that require physical presence, hands-on skills, or deep interpersonal connections. Things that even the most advanced AI systems struggle to replicate effectively. For instance, think about healthcare workers who need to comfort patients, or technicians fixing complex machinery in unpredictable environments. These kinds of roles demand qualities that go beyond algorithms. But don't assume AI safe means low skill. Some highly specialized professions, like oral surgeons or hazardous materials handlers, also make the cut, because their work involves real-time decision-making and safety-critical responsibilities that machines simply aren't equipped to handle yet. How did Microsoft measure AI's impact? Microsoft took a refreshingly practical approach to understanding AI's reach. Instead of relying on theoretical predictions or expert opinions, they analyzed real-world data by tracking how employees actually use AI tools like Copilot in their daily workflows. They developed something called an AI applicability score, which measures how well AI can automate specific tasks within each occupation. This method provides a clearer picture than previous studies, which often relied on broad assumptions rather than actual workplace behavior. For example, while earlier research from OpenAI suggested that 80% of US workers could see at least 10% of their tasks affected by AI, Microsoft's study goes deeper, identifying precisely which roles are thriving alongside AI and which ones are struggling to adapt. The top jobs most vulnerable to AI disruption. Now, let's talk about the roles feeling the heat. Here are 10 occupations currently facing the highest risk of being transformed or even replaced by AI. 1. Interpreters and translators. 2. Historians. 3. Passenger attendants. 4. Sales representatives, services. 5. Writers and authors. 6. Customer service representatives. 7. CNC tool programmers. 8. Telephone operators. 9. Ticket agents and travel clerks. 10. Broadcast announcers and radio DJs. Why are these jobs so susceptible? Many share common traits. Heavy reliance on information processing, frequent digital communication, and tasks that don't require physical presence. For example, interpreters and translators face stiff competition from language models that can translate text almost instantly. Similarly, customer service reps are increasingly supported or supplanted by chatbots capable of handling routine inquiries. The safest jobs in an AI-driven world. On the flip side, certain roles remain firmly out of AI's grasp, at least for now. Let's take a look at the top 10 jobs considered safest from AI disruption. 1. Phlebotomists. 2. Nursing assistants. 3. Hazardous materials removal workers. 4. Helpers, painters, plasterers, etc. 5. Embalmers. 6. Plant and system operators. 7. Oral and maxillofacial surgeons. 8. Automotive glass installers and repairers. 9. Ship engineers. 10. Tire repairers and changers. What sets these jobs apart? First, they often require physical dexterity and manual precision that AI can't mimic. Second, Many involve direct human interaction, such as caregiving or customer-facing services. Finally, some deal with unpredictable scenarios, like hazardous material cleanups or emergency repairs, where quick thinking and adaptability are crucial. Key trends reshaping the workforce. Microsoft's report uncovers several fascinating trends about how AI is influencing the modern workplace. 1. High skill doesn't mean high security. Even high education roles like data scientists, management analysts, and web developers are seeing significant impacts from AI. In fact, these jobs rank among the most disrupted due to their reliance on analytical and problem-solving tasks. 2. Credentials aren't foolproof. Advanced degrees and certifications don't guarantee immunity from AI's effects. Financial advisors and business analysts, for instance, are finding themselves under pressure as AI takes over aspects of financial modeling and market analysis. 3. AI has its limits. The gap between what users expect from AI and what it can actually deliver remains wide. According to Microsoft's research, only about 60% of user expectations align with current AI capabilities. 4. Augmentation over replacement. Contrary to popular fears, AI isn't wiping out jobs wholesale. Instead, it's augmenting them. Take writers, for example. They're using AI to streamline repetitive tasks while focusing on more creative or strategic elements of their work. 5. Physical jobs stay protected. Careers requiring hands-on expertise and human connection continue to thrive. Think plumbers, electricians, and healthcare providers whose work depends on tactile engagement and empathy. Preparing for an AI-dominated future. The bottom line? AI's impact on employment is far more nuanced than headlines suggest. While some jobs will undoubtedly disappear, others will evolve, blending human ingenuity with technological efficiency. To stay ahead, professionals should focus on developing hybrid skill sets, combining technical proficiency with uniquely human strengths like creativity, emotional intelligence, and critical reasoning. And now, here's your chance to weigh in. Do you believe AI will ultimately create more opportunities than it destroys? Or does the rise of automation spell trouble for the future of work? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear your perspective. Full lists of jobs impacted by AI. 40 jobs most at risk from AI. 1. Interpreters and translators. 2. Historians. 3. Passenger attendants. 4. Sales representatives, services. 5. Writers and authors. 6. Customer service representatives. 7. CNC tool programmers. 8. Telephone operators. 9. Ticket agents and travel clerks. 10. Broadcast announcers and radio DJs. 40 jobs least impacted by AI. 1. Phlebotomists. 2. Nursing assistants. 3. Hazardous materials removal workers. 4. Helpers, painters, plasterers, etc. 5. Embalmers. 6. Plant and system operators. Miscellaneous. 7. Oral and maxillofacial surgeons. 8. Automotive glass installers and repairers. 9. Ship engineers. 10. Tire repairers and changers. End.